Hey guys, and welcome to this um to this unboxing and review of this HP JC04 laptop battery. Right now I have my old battery like on my laptop, and it's the capacity is it's already like 73%, which is very bad. And also sometimes it um shuts down abruptly, even when it doesn't reach 0%. Like when it's only at 60%, it already shuts down. um so I'm gonna be replacing this battery. Here's the box. Here's like some information on on the package, like regarding like warranty and battery, um battery life. This isn't an original HP battery, so it's just like a clone or whatever, or like just a replacement. Here's the battery. Yeah, it says like JC04. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get back to you when I've replaced it. Alright, so now I'll just power it on. It might not have any charge, so yeah, it doesn't have any charge. So I'll just plug in the charger. Yeah. Yeah. So now I've installed the new replacement battery. Right now it's just charging. It's at 2%, but as you can see, the maximum capacity is 100%, which is like a big improvement over the old one, which was only 73%. Sometimes even less, you know. It's not even accurate. But yeah, hopefully this one is accurate, and it should last like way longer than the old one. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video of this installation of a replacement battery for the HP laptop.